Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Apple CarPlay not working on iPhone iOS 16 and 17 update. So I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So fix this problem. First of all, you have fixed this problem. How to fix Apple CarPlay not working in any iPhone? Then first solution, you have open the setting and then click on general and then click on CarPlay. You have available CarPlay any and your iPhone. Then you will check first of all. Then second solution. Then again open the setting and then click on screen time and then click on content and privacy registrations and then click on allowed apps. Then you must should be check the CarPlay's enable and allowed app. Then is a third solution. You have again open the setting and then scroll up and then click on touch ID and passcode. You give the take the passcode on iPhone and scroll up. Then you turn on and off 3 or 4 times USB accessories. Turn on off, turn on off, turn on off, and fix this problem. We can last solution. This problem you will be must be solved. Then you will again open the setting and click on general and then click on transfer or reset. Then click on reset and then click on reset all setting. I will you should be reset all setting. Do not lose any data uh, in any iPhone. Only reset all setting your iPhone. Do not lose any data any your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.